guys, Taylor here. So we're back with one of my favorite series, which is perfume reviews. I have recently become obsessed with trying all the different trending perfumes. As you can see, I have a collection going. This month, I decided to try Flowerbomb by Viktor Rolf. I have gotten so many recommendations on this. I posted on my Facebook on what perfumes people were wanting me to try and give reviews on next, and so many people said that this was their number one OG go-to, that they've been using it for years and years and they've never found anything better than this. I tried it. The hype is real. The scent, I personally like it because it's not super sweet. It has a tinge of sweetness, but it also has kind of a tinge of mustiness, a little bit of like sour undertones. And I know that sounds like that wouldn't be appealing to wear, but it actually mixes so nicely. It's not super overwhelming. We all know that guy in the grocery store that wears too much cologne, or the girl that wears that super strong perfume and it's like almost off-putting. This is not that. It has such a nice subtle scent. This one is definitely one that I would put on the recommend list. Of course, you can get it at discount right here from eCosmetics.